This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Hi everyone, I'm Brandon Lee. These are some of the latest stories we're tracking right now from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. It is election night here in Arizona. We have up-to-the-minute results on tonight's primary as they come into our newsroom, online, on air, and on our free AZ Family mobile news app. You can call this one a big victory for Mountainside Fitness inside of a courtroom today. Its owner led the lawsuit against the state, calling the governor's order to close gyms unfair. But the Maricopa County Superior Court has ruled that the governor violated due process after not giving gyms a fair opportunity to apply to reopen if they are following all the safety protocols. And the judge says that gyms can apply with the health department to reopen within 1 week from today. The governor's office responded today saying that they are reviewing the order and focusing on protecting public health as they work on how and when to safely reopen. Mountainside says that they plan to reopen August 11th. The downward trend of COVID patients in our hospitals continues. The number of COVID patients in the hospital, in the ICU, and on the ventilators, that too continues to go down. Well, today the state reported another 1,000 cases, 66 new deaths. That now brings Arizona's grand total to 180,000 cases since January and 3,800 deaths. The percentage of tests coming back positive also continues to go down. The 7-day rolling average still remains high at 18%. It is still a big drop off from 27% just a couple of weeks ago. Detectives right now trying to determine how a man died after being arrested by Phoenix police. Officers were called to 51st Avenue and Indian School for a suspicious person. And police telling us a suspect ran into a liquor store, and when an officer tried to talk to the guy, he threw a drink and ran off. An officer eventually tackled that suspect. Police say he tried to bite the officer and kick him as they took him into custody. He was taken to the hospital where he died. His death is under investigation.
All right, we're going to take a quick check of weather for you. 111 in the valley today. That was above average. The advertised 105, but well off the record 116, which goes back to 1975. But at least we got into the 80s this morning, so that was some good news there. Our forecast, though, more of the same. We're just not going to see much in the way of temperature change, maybe down a degree or two over the next couple of days, and then right back up a degree or two as we head toward the weekend. In fact, by Sunday afternoon, we'll see a high of 111.
Royal, thank you so much. Good to see you. Yeah. For updates on the stories we're tracking right now, you can download our app, subscribe to our YouTube, even our Roku channels. I'm Brandon Lee. Have a great night.